Just got home, sat down at my desk here from the gun shop. Got myself a Revolver. My first single action. 22 combo, 22 long rifle, 22 long, 22 short, and 22 Magnum. I haven't even opened this yet since I've gotten home. So, I'm not going to waste your time. Let's start. So, accessory catalog, owner's manual. So if you haven't noticed yet, Heritage Rough Rider, single action. Let's just get to it. Spent shell casing, warranty. There she is. .22 mag. Now we're talking. Look at that. Pretty nice. I'm gonna take a look at it and I'll turn you back on here. Alright, so I gave you the once over, just to show you what I got. But now I'm going to go into a little bit of the details, which some of you might already know. But for those of you that don't, Heritage Manufacturing is 100% American made. You can see on the little box there. And that was one of the things that really attracted me to it. You know, there's a lot of good clones or copies made in Italy, and there's even some made in Brazil, you know, foreign countries, that they do a really good job of replicating a Colt single action army. Well, this one, it's similar to Colt single action. It's got the 4 clicks, which it actually sounds like 5, but you know, it replicates the American pistol, you know, the Colt, the gun that won the West, or what have you. And I got it in 22, of course, you can see here, which it also came with a 22 Magnum cylinder, which I think is really cool. I've never shot a 22 Magnum, and I don't know if I will. It's pretty expensive, but you know, it's cool to have that option. It's like having 2 guns in one, really. But so yeah, here's a little close up. You know, they're pretty cheap guns. I think I told you before I paid about $200 for this one, and I'll show you how to swap the cylinders real quick. Just pull the pin. There's your 22 long rifle. Drop in the 22 Magnum. It's a little tricky at this angle, but there you have it. Now it's 22 Magnum. But so yeah, it's a 6-shooter. You know, you can get a bunch of 22 revolvers that are like 9 shots, somewhere around there, and that's cool. It really is. But you know, this classic 6-shooter. That's why I got it. Wanted to do some plinking and have some fun with a cheap gun, and so $200 plus cheap ammo sounds like fun to me. So there you have it. I'm excited to go shoot it. I'll bring you guys along for the ride when I get out there. So keep watching if you care to see. But it's a good gun. I looked it over. I even took off the grip and looked inside. You know, it's a solid gun. It really is. So there's a safety, and I'm happy to have it. So I'll give you another closer look. There you have it, man. So I'll keep you updated.